Hey folks, happy that you're watching this video. My name is Vitaly. I'm working as a professional DevOps engineer and would like to share with you some job-related hints. Actually, this one I want to share could be as well actual and really helpful for people like system administrators or even network administrators. So not only strictly DevOps guys like me. Okay, so the thing is that when you need to manage multiple servers, that is to do something manually on multiple servers. Sometimes that happens, not everything is automated. Sometimes you're, for example, setting up brand new servers, you've not them configured for automation like Ansible or something similar. That means that you need to perform different operations manually on small or big number of servers. So what usually comes to the mind? Usually you could do something like that. Create new terminal window, new terminal, new terminal, terminal. That's awful, right? Unmanageable, not usable. I will give you a better way. There is a tool which is called tmux, which stands for terminal multiplexer, and it will really help you in those kind of things when you need to figure out or to configure something quickly on multiple servers over network. So what do you need to do? First of all, you need to install tmux on your computer. In my case, I'm using macOS. It could be installed via Brew. There are other options. I will mention them in the video description. So let's assume you've installed tmux. I won't be covering the installation procedure in this video. What you need to do to accomplish the task of multiple servers management, you need to go to tmux configuration file, which is usually located in your home directory and called .tmux.conf. And the magic option you need to add there, you can omit all other options for now. The magic option you need to add is this one. I will also put it to the video description, no worries. So after you've added this option and restarted your tmux, you can use it basically to simplify your life in case of multiple servers management. And let's see how. So my current configuration, which I just showed you, allows me to run the same commands in multiple tmux windows. So you see now I have window here and I have as well window here. Those are two separate terminals which I can use to connect to different servers. So what can I do? I can SSH, for example, to one test server here and to another test server here. And instead of running commands separately, like in different terminals, what I can do using tmux and this option I've just added, I can press Ctrl+B and then Ctrl+X on the keyboard. Ctrl+B and Ctrl+X. So you see the separation line is now red. That means that all the operations will be duplicated between those two windows. What I mean here that, for example, I'm printing downtime in bottom window and it's also printed automatically in the upper window. Or whatever command you would like to run. Manage your partitions, manage users, manage the same kind of configuration files. Like, for example, you need to manage SSH configurations, let's say. So you can do this simultaneously on whatever amount of servers using tmux, which will be much, much faster than using multiple terminal windows. That's the whole story. So all the hints, all the links and additional information will be placed in the video description. And thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you soon.